Hi everyone, this is Professor Sridevi. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about orthogonal and perspective projection in medicine. That is coming mainly under image visualization techniques and the main surface based rendering, volume based rendering in medical images. First of all, we have to know what is projections in medical field. Medical imaging techniques like CT, MRI, X-ray generate 3D anatomical data, but doctors view them on 2D. That is just we see the medical MRI film, X-ray film, etc. like this. To make this possible, projection methods are used to convert 3D data to 2D data. So what is projection? So first, projection is the one which is used to represent 3D data to 2D data. This 2D data is converted in, it can be visualized. The types of projection is based on orthogonal projection and perspective projections. In case of orthogonal projection, the main features are project lines are parallel, and perspective projection they here converting these projections in a point. Here the projection is on depth projection, and here the projection is based on orthogonal projection. There is no depth projection. In perspective projection there is some depth projection. Size accuracy, orthogonal is called as high accurate, and perspective projection is called as less accurate. Realism, low flat view, and here high realistic view. The main use of orthogonal projection is it is main used in diagnostic measures, and here it is used in visualization, planning, and training. Applications of these projections here. Overall, orthogonal projection is no depth projection. It is true to actual size and no distortion. Mainly used in CT slices, X-ray imaging measures, etc. But in case of perspective projection, it is called a central projection. Converging projection is like that. It is based starting from one viewpoint. It is taken from this viewpoint. This projector lines are connected, and it is taken like this. Depth perspection. Here 3D effect is there, used in 3D visualization. Main the applications are diagnostics and detecting diseases in X-rays, CT, MRI, the surgical planning, pre-operative 3D organ visualization, medical training, learning anatomy through 2D, 3D projections, monitoring and follow-up before and after will be like this. So these all are the classifications under projections. The main importance is it is used in medical field. Projection methods are essentially because they convert volumetric data into interpretable data images. It helps radiologists to detect abnormalities, support 3D reconstruction of organs, enable better understanding of spatial relationship. Medical images are originally 3D data. Projection converts them into 2D views. Orthogonal projection accurate but flat. Perspective projections are realistic with depth. Orthogonal projections definitions are: orthogonal projections is the method in which projection lies on perpendicular to the image plane, producing distortion-free images. The types of orthogonal views are axial transverse view, sagittal view, and coronal view. Axial view is called as transverse view. It is used for horizontal slice and divides body into upper and lower part. Sagittal view is called as vertical slice. It divides the body into left and right. Coronal or frontal view is for vertical slice. It divides the body into front and back. The main applications of this orthogonal and perspective projections are: it is mainly used in CT scans, medical imaging, X-ray imaging, and MRI imaging. The main advantages of orthogonal and perspective projections are: there is no distortion, and it is mainly used in accurate measurements, and it is easily comparison with slices, where it is used in all the medical images to identify the X and Y coordinates to represent the 2D images to 2D data to 3D data. The main limitations are no depth perceptions and requires multiple views. Perspective projections are methods to convert 2D object to 3D plane. Key concept is it is mainly appear larger, smaller, and characteristics are converged at a point, depth perception, realistic images. So these types are mainly used in surgical planning and simulation, endoscopy, and virtual reality systems. Medical visualizations, here the projection means the same thing what we said are repeating here. Perspective projections, characteristics, examples, and thank you.